My name is Mason Benarzik. This is my wife Krista, and we live here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We started looking for a house about 1.5 years ago. We wanted to find a place that we could ultimately make our own that had some good bones, and we wanted to put some nice new skin on it.
My name's Walter Carr. I'm the UpSkill teacher for the East Coast. We're in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm excited to meet Mason this weekend. The UpSkill project is traveling city to city, teaching participants and building confidence on doing DIY projects in their home. Mason's project is a bathroom refresh.
I've done a handful of projects myself, but I haven't done much tile work, so I'm really looking forward to getting in there with Walter, understanding what it takes to do a tile job from start to finish.
This evening will be my home and store visit. So normally what happens is I come in, introduce myself, look at where we're going to be working at. Once that's finished, I'll have a good knowledge of what we need to pick up at the store. And we'll go and talk about each product and say this is why you need it, this is why we're getting it.
If you go too dark, then you see a grid and you want people to see the pretty tile that you're going to put down. So I'll show you which one.
Okay.
It's just a matter of now to put in a new floor, ceramic tile, all that. We need to build this floor up to make it work with that.
All right, so we got 1 5/8 inches to the bottom of the flange.
Correct. Yep.
Plus we have a 1/4 inch tile.
Can't think of anything else.
All right, we need to make a store run.
We're off to a quick start today.
Well, that happens.
From what I know, when Walter was here the other day looking at the bathroom, we had so much of the shower tile still covering the floor, so we didn't realize that the subfloor being built in 1968 was lower than what they use now. We needed to actually double that so that when we set the toilet down on it, that it wouldn't be wobbly.
This morning we ran into a little problem, so we had to regroup and run to Lowe's and get some more material. We had to build the floor up with a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood, 1/2 inch hardy.
We put the backer board down, so my role has just been kind of screwing that in, make sure it's tight.
So it's been good to kind of jump back into some DIY projects and even picking up new skills from Walter, even see my wife get in there, get the drill, and jump in on the project.
UpSkill is not to come out and do the work. UpSkill is to come out and teach the homeowner how to do it. Build their confidence, let them know, hey, you can tackle anything. We go through each tool, we show them what you can do, what you can't do. Normally by the second day, midday, they're cutting stuff by themselves.
Well, it was pretty terrifying to be behind the wet saw. That's why I made Walter go first, because I had no idea what I was doing. Halfway through, Mason and I switched, and now I'm laying tile, basically making a peanut butter sandwich.
So we were putting the faucets, fixtures on the vanity so that once we got in here, we could just kind of set the vanity in place. So working on it with the open back downstairs is a lot easier.
We have to let the tile set in the mortar, and so grout will come tomorrow morning, and we're trying to do as much of the little things today so that tomorrow we can just kind of put it all in the bathroom.
Y'all got clay up here, huh? Mason was a quick learner. You showed him one time and he took off with it. Krista was pretty much the same way. She did a lot of work herself. So.
Yeah, so Walter's teaching style, it's really kind of hands-on, kind of put you into the element. Yeah, I think just the overall kind of confidence that you get from having an experienced person doing the project with you has been great, and some of the tasks that seem unachievable or scary aren't really, and that you can do them.
Overall experience has been great. I think the tile looks really, really great, and really, really proud of it. I think I did all the grouting on my own, so that's kind of fun to be able to say. Yeah, I definitely feel a lot more confident. The toilet and the vanity, everything just looks really beautiful.
So this UpSkill project, redoing our guest bathroom, was kind of the kickoff to our other bathrooms. We have 2 other bathrooms that we want to redo in our house, and so all of the skills that we've learned we'll be able to transfer down the road.